Hi friends, welcome back. We're going to talk about some word problems with similar figures today. Let's get started. A map is designed with a scale of 0.5 inches, so 1/2 inch for every 4 miles. That's our scale. So we're going to say, okay, 0.5 inches for every 4 miles. Okay, if the distance between the two towns is 8 inches on the map, how far apart are they? And I should have started by saying the best way to solve scale factor and similar figures kind of word problems is going to be with a proportion, which is just comparing two ratios, aka fractions. So we're going to set up our first ratio right here. And now for our second one, like I said, it is if the distance is between two towns is between 8 inches on the map, you want to make sure since 8 inches, so inches are up here, we've got to put inches up here. We want to make sure that we're comparing the same thing. We're looking for miles, so we're going to put X here. We can do two things. We can cross multiply, which gives us 0.5x equals 32. Divide by 0.5, divide by 0.5. Now, remember, we never divide, so let's talk about this. We're doing 32 divided by, and instead of 0.5, I'm gonna write 1/2 fraction. But remember, we never divide fractions, we multiply by the reciprocal. So the reciprocal of 1/2 is 2 over 1, or just 2. That makes this problem a lot easier, 64. So how far apart are the towns? They are, 64 miles apart. Good, you should, and like I said, you should pause this. Like I said in the earlier videos, you should pause this, write these down so that you have them in your notebook, and then when you're answering on your homework on your 8 piece of paper, you know, where it's the 8-box piece of paper, make sure that you have a sentence. At the very least, you want to have your unit, 64 miles. But if you go back, read the sentence, the question, and turn it into a sentence, that will really help you understand that you are answering the right question and to make sure that you're answering the right question. Okay, so pause the video, take a look at this, and then come on back. All right, the ratio of similarity between two figures is 2 to 5. We're going to write that down. If one side of the larger figure is 15 centimeters long, so this is where it's important that we're paying attention. The larger figure is going to be on the bottom here because 5 is larger than 2. So we're going to say 15 centimeters here. What is the length of the corresponding side? So the same side on the smaller figure, that's where we're going to put our X. Okay, so you could cross multiply if you want. You can also look at this and say, oh, 5 times 3 gives me 15. If I multiply by 3 on the bottom, got to multiply by 3 on the top, that's going to give me 6 on the top. So X equals 6. So you would say it is 6 centimeters on the smaller figure. 6 centimeters on the smaller figure. All right, folks, thanks for joining me today. We'll see you next time.